We packed our bags, the sun was rising high, hit the...
We've come today for Jessica's birthday party. So we've got here, it's only 9:30. I think the lane's booked for 10. So who knows? I'll probably link some photos of Jessica and then we'll maybe do a recap later on tonight and tell you what's coming up in the next month or so. So other than that, we'll see you on the next one.
We packed our bags, the sun was rising high, hit the open road, just my friends and I. With laughter and stories, we roam the land, chasing horizons, feel the warmth of sand, miles of memories, we're never alone. Driving with the Jones, we live for the ride, adventures away, let the excitement guide. With every new place, our spirits unfold, together forever, our stories we told. From city lights to mountains steep and grand, every twist and turn, it's a life unplanned. With the wind in our hair, we're alive, we're free, in this journey together, just my crew and me. Through every sunset, we find our way home. Traveling with the Jones, we live for the ride, adventures away, let the excitement guide. With every new place, our spirits above, together forever, our stories we told. So here's to the travel.
Happy birthday
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Jessica, happy birthday to you. Hooray! Oh, look at that candle.
Lovely.
When's it going to go? Yeah.
I must admit, I wasn't impressed with his in the garden.
It's definitely a candle, not a Roman candle.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping it doesn't go bang.
I was going to say,
It's an indoor
Yeah, but this is
party
what they
candle.
use in Switzerland.
It's an indoor party candle. Same one we got for bed.
didn't do the fire thing. That was on a wooden.
This is for going for some time.
Same as a Catherine wheel.
Isn't that a super candle?
Are you not going to blow it out, Jess?
Still going. You can blow it out.
Oh, there you go.
Not the same thing, you know.
You're going to blow it out?
No, I'm not.
One.
Oh, mine didn't
Hey.
work. Mine didn't work.
Whoa.
Oh,
Jessica.
stinks. Mine doesn't work.
Hang on.
Mine doesn't work.
Jessica's didn't work, so...
And mine didn't.
Right, this is the part of the video where I talk rubbish, basically. As you probably saw Jessica, what I said. We were on Sunday, we went to the bowling in Chester for Jessica's present, but a party with her friends. I think she enjoyed it, really. But I think they had 2.5 games. They had a 2-hour window where they could have as much, whatever bowling they wanted to. I think it was 10 till 12, I think. She enjoyed it. She had quite a big bowling pin, which I'll probably add by there. Which originally she had one that had, I think it's Jasmine off Aladdin, picture of that, but obviously now she's got I think it's a unicorn. I don't know. I could be wrong. But yeah, she had a bit of food as well. I think it was pizza and some fries or chips or whatever you call it from wherever you are. And yeah, that sort of, I didn't take many things there because I didn't, obviously Jessica's day, I didn't really want to tell her to pose and stuff, but yeah, today is Tuesday the 10th. It's quite weird because she's 10 on the 10th, which it would have been funny if she was, because she's at school. I'm sure she'll have, I think we've sent some bit of cake in with her to have a little celebration because she's obviously 10 today, growing up too fast. So yeah, she's had a few presents on cards off many people so far. She has had a massive, how can I say, Harry Potter Hogwarts Lego set. So I've been told it's quite hard, even for adults. I think it's 2,260 pieces, which for her is quite a lot because she's obviously only used to like 100 pieces or 200 pieces. But yeah, she started building it. Unfortunately, I did have an eye infection in the last 2 weeks, but it's just finishing. But I've still got the gunkiness in my eye, and I need to get some stuff for me, the eye. But yeah, separate as that, she is building it. So I don't know. Might be a building process. It might take her about a month to build. I don't know. She's had a couple other things. I'm sure she'll tell you later on. My eyes do me head in. I always get eye infections this time of year and around like Halloween time. I don't know if it's seasonal. When it's cold, it affects my eyes and I get dirt or whatever inside it. I don't know. It's only then. But yeah, we are going to this weekend to Pirate Takeover, because normally I say takeaway, don't I? So we'll go in there on Saturday for a couple of hours. That'll probably be the next big video, probably the start of the year season. There are things changed with Merlin. I'm not going to go into that because it's not my place to talk about that. But yeah, and then I think on Sunday we go into Costco for we're taking 2 other people. So I think they asked when can we go, because we're executive members, we get certain benefits. I think it's going in early, and whatever you spend, you get points back or pence back or whatever, and then it goes back on to because it's a yearly subscription to Costco. We just it basically goes off. Well, it'll be September basically when we eyes do me head in. When we actually renew our pass, we're gonna see how much we actually, is it worth staying with executive or just I think it's about £20 or £30 more for the executive for the year. But obviously if you shop there quite a lot, which we sometimes do, we don't really spend a lot in there, but how can I say, when they do I think they have the testers, which is normally between 12 and 5 or R4 sometimes. And you could make a meal of it. Just go there for your tea and not have to. But obviously, we like the hot dogs and the pizza there. So yeah, Sunday we go in there, and as this is Tuesday, Jessica's birthday, I've also, because this won't be going out until tomorrow because there'll be other stuff I need to edit for either before, actually it'll be after this part or before, I don't know, that we've actually booked for opening weekend for Alton Towers. So like we mostly done for the last couple of years, we've been opening weekend, which I can't discuss. But we went on a behind the tour of a certain ride that's going to be there this year. So, and I signed a a paperwork to say I can't talk about what I saw and stuff, but everyone knows what ride it's there. And I've got a couple of photos that I will release onto my social on, I think it's the 14th of March. So as soon as 14th of March comes, I can release them, because the ride will be open, and obviously then people are going to know what's on the ride and stuff. So yeah, that's something to come ahead of. So yeah, that's not okay. Have we going anywhere else? We've not got anywhere else planned, but obviously today's Jessica's day. It's her birthday. It's 10th birthday. So other than that, I can't really think of what's been going on. She has had some clothes offers and whatnot. So yeah, I'm at the moment I'm drinking Aldi's root beer, which is quite nice. I think they're about 89p a bottle, I think, or 99p. But I do like A&W's root beer, but this is in a bottle and it's cheaper. So yeah, other than that, can't think of anything I need to inform you about. But the main things are obviously Pirate Takeaway this weekend. So that video will be out either Sunday or late Saturday, depending on how quick I can edit. So yeah, that's it. And then obviously we've got my dad's birthday the end of this month. That's another thing when you think about. And then my birthday is in March, same as my mum's, which was quite weird, because when I was 21, she was 50. So that's why. But then Rachel's, I think, is a couple of days after mine. So I'm not going to disclose it, but I'm sure she'll have a video or something, or we'll do something. But other than that, we'll see you on the next one. So if you want to subscribe, share, comment, it would be good. But yeah, there's certain videos on my YouTube channel that are actually doing quite well. They're actually older videos, but they are doing quite well. They're coming along. But yeah, we're only a small channel. We're not out there to make money out of it, because we're not getting, we're nowhere near money. So don't even anyone think we're getting any money or nothing, or that, because we don't. And we don't really accept gifts unless they are really nice and thought about. But there are a lot of people out there that do get gifted, which annoys me, because they don't, on their videos, they don't put gifted, or and all these ones that have got the, how can I say, the sponsors and they advertise. I know people want to make money. People want to make money on YouTube. I'm not there. I'm not one of them. So yeah. Other than that, if you wouldn't mind sharing on any of my socials, which is YouTube, I do a little bit of TikTok, and Instagram. Is there another one? I don't know. It's just this YouTube. I do, but I do have a Facebook page if anyone wants that. It's basically my videos advertise on that. So yeah, other than that, we'll see you on the next one, and I'm sure I'll make more after this, so keep tuned. You don't know what's happening. So other than that, we'll have to see you on the next one. So other than that, bye.
We packed our bags, the sun was rising high, hit the open road.